Today, children, we are going to learn about the different parts of a plant. The trees, the shrubs, and the herbs have the same parts. Okay, and I've pulled out a weed from my garden so that we can see what are the different parts of a plant. Let us start from the roots. Can you see these things? Yes, these are called the roots. And what do the roots do? They help the plant stay attached to the soil, and when we water the plants, when we give them fertilizers or the food, what do the roots do? They take it from the soil and they pass it to the, what is this part? The stem. Okay, so you can see the roots over here, and if the plants did not have roots, they would not be able to stand like this. Okay, so they act as a support and anchor, and the roots are found in the soil except for the banyan tree. Remember the banyan tree we saw yesterday in the slides? Yes, the banyan trees have roots that you cannot see, and the banyan roots have the prop roots that pop up from the branches. Now, this part is called the stem. This part is called the stem. The water and the nutrients that the roots take from the soil is passed from this stem to the leaves. Okay, so all this part over here is the stem, and now the water and the nutrients will go to the leaves over here. And leaves are very important because they are like a kitchen. The plants produce their food in the leaves. And I don't have a flower in this plant, so I bought a different one for you. And let us look at this plant. We'll move this. If you can see this plant, look at this root. Yes, this is the root, and this is the stem. These are the leaves, and this is a beautiful flower. The flowers are very beautiful, yes, and even on this weed, the flower is very beautiful. The flowers produce seeds and they turn into fruits. So let us label these parts. Okay, can you tell me where are the roots? The roots are here. I'll move this plant over here so that we can share the labels. And this is the root. Yes, okay, these are the roots. Now, which part is the stem? The long, slender, soft stem. Now, what should we mark? Should we label the leaves? Yes, these are the leaves. Okay, the leaves are the kitchen. Can you see them? Yes. And now let us label the flower. These are the parts of a plant. Okay. Now, what I want you all to do is, we are going to do an activity, and then we are going to label the different parts of a plant. What I have done is, I've drawn a basic flower over here, if you can see. this is the flower, these are the leaves, this is the stem, and these are the roots. Okay, so what you all have to do is draw a basic flower, and I want all the children to do this independently because we all can draw the flower. Yes, a simple flower, but what we will do is we'll just make it big. Okay, not very tiny, just try to make it big. And let us see what is the next step that we have